Hi everyone, here is a new notification from NCERT for the post of assistant professor and this is from Bhubaneswar. Okay, first of all, let's see the number of subjects. There are total 14 subjects and the subjects are assistant professor for physics, mathematics, geology, botany, chemistry, Hindi, Oriya, geography, and assistant professor for education. And there are for 5 topics in education: pedagogy of physical science, pedagogy of biological science, mathematics, social science, and language subjects, that is Hindi, English, Oriya, and education. Okay, and these are the respectively the number of vacancies for these subjects. So if your subject is not included here, so you can skip this video, and I will discuss each and every step. First of all, how you can get the official website. Go to the Google and type here NCERT Bhubaneswar. Here in the first search list, this is NCERT Bhubaneswar. Click here. And this is the official website www.riebbs.ac.in. This is the official website for NCERT Bhubaneswar. Click on this link and you will be directed to the official page of NCERT Bhubaneswar. And here this is the notice board and click on view all. Clicking on view all, you will be directed to this page, and at number 5 here the notification is advertisement inviting application for engagement of assistant professor on contractual basis for session 2021-22. So this post is on contractual basis, and this notification uh, come on 16th July and today is 17th July. Okay, so clicking on this PDF link, you will get the notification. Here is the notification: Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar. Okay, and this is the advertisement, and I have already told the subjects for the post of assistant professor. Here is the educational qualification for assistant professor. First qualification is you have to get minimum 55% marks in master degree, okay, on your subject. Number 2 is you have to qualify NET, SLATE or SET exam. Or if you have qualified PhD or MPhil, then for PhD candidates, here there are 5 conditions for those PhD candidates. Okay, so I will request you, so download this notification and read all the eligibility criteria here given. Okay, this is the desirable qualification: B.Ed or M.Ed or equivalent degree for all posts of assistant professor. Okay, and if you have qualified NET, SLATE or SET exam, and if you have B.Ed or M.Ed, then you will be preferred. Okay, and here noted that only shortlisted candidates will be interviewed. Interested candidates may send their applications to the administrative officer. This is the address where you can send your application. In first line here given, the hard copy of applications are invited for post of engagement to the following posts purely on contractual basis for the academic session 2021-22. So you have to send your hard copy on this address. Okay, this is the address: Administrative Officer, Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar, Sachivalay Marg, Bhubaneswar 751022. Okay, and the last date is 30th July on or before 5 p.m. Okay, so this is the notification. If you are satisfying all these conditions, then please apply here, and best wishes for you. Thank you.